On to the next question. For those who are standing still, wanting to get to multi-six figures, what would you advise them on steps to take?
Yeah, so I think a really practical way to look at it, so I just mentioned the private companies turning public. And one of the ways I was able to get a nice speed run of income outside of my base salary and my commission was by joining a company that had gone public about 18 months after they had gone public. Now, a lot of people talk about joining a company when they're private and then riding through what we call an IPO, which is when they go public. But what people fail to recognize is actually when you join a company when they're already public, especially in an economic downturn, what it means is their stock price is really low, typically, right? And so I joined a company when their stock price was $50 during a low period. Within about 18 months after that, their stock price went from $50 to $450. Wow. So every single pound I had immediately 8x'd. Yeah. Right? And so what you realize is in these types of companies, even in the most junior role, you tend to get, you know, a good amount of stock, right? A good amount of cash realized stock. And when the company is already public, that is real cash that you can monetize. And so I'd actually advise someone or encourage them to think about, don't just think about joining a company private and going public, but think about joining a public company during a downturn, ride the wave with them for 18 months, and then that's just a really nice way to earn some really good money.
Yeah.